tell you that.
This is going to be the worst kind of conditions for a road test, basically. This is the worst it'll ever get. Let's go ahead and we'll just wait till that dude behind you there. We're going to make a left lane change once he passes you. And we're going to turn left at the lights. Okay, we're gonna make a right turn at the stop sign up there. They won't say stop sign though; they'll say at the controlled intersection. So they don't want to tell you it's a stop sign, right?
No, it says stop.
Yeah.
They don't want to tell you it's a stop sign, but it is a stop sign.
Or they'll say, "Please make the first right turn."
So that they'll make sure that like you'll know like stop.
Mm-hmm.
I know what we're doing.
If it's winter like this, they won't get you to park uphill with a snowbank, because then it's really difficult to get the car going again, and they realize that. Instead of that, they're going to get you to park on the downslope,